Fibonacci series is a sequence where each number is the sum of the previous two numbers. Fibonacci series can be solved using two methods. First is loop and second one is using recursion. First, we will import system library for input and output, then defines a class. Here, program execution starts. First, we will take a user input to print the number of terms. Then I will set first two numbers 0 and 1 of Fibonacci numbers. Loop starts from third term to nth term. Then we will calculate the next Fibonacci number in int variable c. E is equal to B is used to move A to next value, and B is equal to C is used to move B to next value. This sets value to the next variable. Next method is by using recursion. In this, first we define a recursive function. Then base case is used to stop recursion. Here this recursively calls itself and adds previous two values in the program. Then I will take user input for the number of terms we want to display to print series of values. Here recursion helps to understand how function calls work internally, while loop is efficient to work with. For loop will call the function for each term. Here I will get the same output as before. Here recursion time complexity is more than the loop time complexity. Thank you.